Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you a WordPress plugin that will help you to translate your website by just a click. So let's go and fetch that from WordPress.org and just search for Convey This Translate and you will find this plugin. But before that, why you should translate your website? Well, I will mention some of the reasons if that's not enough. Number one, it will increase your customer base. In the global economy, effective website transcription is necessary for a variety of reasons. In order for brands to capture overseas consumers, web pages must be served in their native tongue. Number two, your company spread internationally. Many websites and e-commerce stores cater to foreign crowds with international shipping and various currency payments options. Despite this, many of the sites house English-only content. By providing customers with product information in the native languages, you greatly increase the chances of making a sale. Number three, your competition has a multilingual website. If your competition is serving a variety of audience around the world through a multilingual site, they are likely capturing more eyeballs and revenue online. The longer you go without a translated version of your site, the stronger your competition grows across global communities. Number four, increased time on site. Most translated websites receive the added SEO benefits of lower bounce rates, greater user interaction, and time on the site. This will not only help your international SEO efforts, but it will also increase the chances of making a sale. Number five, cost efficiency. By providing your website's content in a variety of languages and showing users how to change languages on pages, you can effectively capture new users, build confidence with shoppers, and recap a multitude of other benefits. Another reason is that you can build trust worldwide and also build a strong brand. So there are a lot of benefits in terms of translating a website into multilingual site. Alright, enough talking. Let's use this plugin into our website. So let's go into our WordPress backend. I'm using localhost in terms of showing this example. So let's click on the plugin and add new. And let's type into the search box, Convey This Translate. It should pop up. Here it is, Convey This Translate multilingual plugin. Let's click on install now. It will take some time. So let's activate it now. Click on activate. And it will tell you Convey This plugin installed but not yet configured. You need to configure Convey This plugin here. So click on configuration page. And there you will see that you need an API key in order to make this work in your site. So log in to Convey This to get your API key. So let's click on this Convey This link, and it should take you into their site, conveythis.com/account/register, and here you will find a form to register. So let's do it real quick. So I have already filled up the form, so let's click on register now, and it will send a confirmation link to your email, so you can go there and click on that confirmation email. This is the email that's going to come up in your email that you have provided. So let's click on activate your account. And it should take you into the their payment plan section. So there are several plans. If you can see, just zoom out a bit. There are free package, business package, most popular package, pro plus package, and enterprise package. If you take the free package, you can translate into only one languages, and number of translated words will be 2,500. Monthly page view will be maximum 10,000. And if you choose the package differently, then the limits will be different. So for this tutorial, let's take the free version. So let's click on select plan on the free version, and let's zoom up a bit, and it's gonna take you this and it's gonna confirm you with a summary. So let's select the plan, and it's gonna take you into this subscription page. So let's click on dashboard, and here you will find the API key that you need in order to activate your plugin. So let's copy this. It has been copied, and let's go into our backend and let's paste it here. And from here, what is your source language? You need to select the current source language. In our case it is English, and the version that you want to convert. So let's check on Bengali, and let's click on save changes. So you can already see the preview here. The current language is English, and you can translate it into the Bangla as well. The site should already be configured, but if you still go into the My Dashboard and click on Domains, open a new link, you will see your localhost has been configured and your source language is English and your target language is BN for Bangla. And there are some settings and my translations, and you can delete it. So we will come into this portion later. So let's go into our web pages and let's see what happened. So if we go into visit site, and this is the demo site that we just used into the local host. And as you can see at the bottom, there is a option you can choose from. Currently it is selected as English, so if we choose into Bangla, and let's wait for some time, and as you can see, everything has been converted into Bangla. So guys, this is that easy. You are just a click away to make your website multilingual. Now of course, with this free plan you can just use only one language, but with the upgraded plan you can convert your site with 92 languages so far as their plugin website suggested. If you go to their plugin address in WordPress.org, you can see they are currently supporting 92 languages, and you can read through this. There are some video tutorials how you can set up this plugin easily, so you can read this through. I found it pretty easy to install, just 2 minutes. It takes just 2 minutes, as you can see. But let's go into the backend and find out more things. So here, as you can see, you can choose different languages from here. Now if we click onto the show more options, there are some more interesting options. The first one is redirect visitors to translated page automatically based on user's browser setting. Now that means if the user uses a browser and set up his browser or her browser with a specific languages, so it's gonna automatically track that and convert that into that language. So it's a very cool feature. Now you can hide convey this logo and translate media, adapt image for specific languages. So you can translate media image also, translate PDF as well. Now here's a fun part. Here href plain text, so SEO text will be added to all the pages. Now this is pretty cool for a free plugin to do that. I found most of them are premium, but they are doing it in free version as well. You can also customize languages in select box. When you have multiple languages, you can use, if you tick this to show, then there will be a search box, so you can search it from here. Now there are some cool options like if you want to use rectangular flag like this, you can do that. If you can use like square flag, you can use this. If you can use also, you can use circle like this, or without flag, just a plain text. But I prefer rectangle flag, that looks pretty. Now for the text, display the text name of the languages. So full text by default is selecting, that's why it is showing English. Now if you can select short, so it's gonna say like this, or without text, but I like to see full text. And the position, you can define the position. First one is the fixed, then you can choose the custom place as well. Vertically you can select top or bottom. Horizontally you can select right to left. So they are pretty cool settings as well. Now you can also do some indenting by just changing these slide ranges, both the vertically and the horizontally as well. We can also do some changes flag, like by default all the languages have their flags in accordance with ISO standard. If you want to change the flag for one or several languages, here you can customize it, but I guess these things for the premium version. Yes, so you can do that. And you can also block some pages as well. So finally, when you are happy with your settings, you can hit the save changes and everything will be up and running within a blink of your eye. Now one thing I have missed out though, so let's click on show more options again and just scroll down a bit. If you can see languages in menus, would you believe it, if you can add language flag into your conventional menu, so that by clicking on that you can translate on that particular language. So let's go into the appearance and menus, and if you scroll down, you can see convey this. There is a menu. You can select English and Bengali, add to menu, and those things will be added here. So let's save menu and let's go into the front end and hit refresh, and as you can see, you are seeing now two extra menus. One is English, another is Bengali. If you click on Bengali, then it should convert into Bangla, and if you click on English, then it's gonna convert into the English. So it's pretty cool for a free plugin to do that sort of things. Now let's go into the convey this dashboard and click on the domains, click on open a new tab, and there are two interesting links, my translations and settings. So let's click on my translation first, and as you can see, this is our URL, localhost/wp dev, and we are using Bengali to convert into the language, and we have so far converted 51 words. Remember, there is a limit for free version, so we cannot cross that, and we have just 2 views. Now the interesting part is there is 2 kind of editors, text editor and the visual editor. Let's click on the text editor, open in a new tab, and as you can see, every text that has been converted into your desired language has been there. So if you know that some words doesn't converted what you were wanted, so you can manually change it from here, and that will work. So that's a pretty cool feature for a free plugin too. And there is a visual editor, but because I'm using localhost, so it's not gonna appear, but if you use live URL, you're gonna see a visual editor there. So that also very cool. And if you click on let's go into the domain again, and if you click on settings, and you can find some setups from here. You can also set up from here and save configuration in order to up and running with this plugin. So that is it, guys. I think you can use it easily in your website. If your site is small, then you can go with the free version of it, but if your site is big enough, then sure thing, you can use their premium version or premium plans as well. So let me know through the comments how you like this plugin, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.